1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the way that you are going to count, and right after that you are going to groove by using your shoulder. The first step, you are going to put all your weight to your left shoulder. Try to count like this: down and up, down, roll up, down, roll up. For the beginner, you have to practice like this first just to get used to with your footworks. For the upper body, you are going to hold your palm like this, or actually you can release it and then kind of like slightly touch your chest, and then it's going to bounce like this. Also, this movement, you are going to put your body weight properly. Practice grooving your body until you feel like you are doing very sharp. And the best technique that I can give it to you is you have to bend your knee like this to make your lower body have enough space for you to fight with your speed. Because you have to quickly move this footstep, so it's going to be very difficult for the beginner. Therefore, when you bend your knee down a little bit like this, you are going to be able to just crisscross your legs or your foot kind of easier than you think. Practice running like this every day is going to increase your ability of your footwork, the speed. Don't forget to groove your body weight left to right also. For your upper body, you are going to raise your arm above your head like this, and then kind of past your neck, and then your chest, and then your waist. Right after that, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And we are going to bounce our right chest like this 2 times. Go to your right like this. So 1 and 2 and. Don't forget that you are going to bounce your chest like this all the time, so it makes more clear and sharp move. 1 and 2 and. Then right after that, just move your hip to your left and then right. Okay, like 3 and, then 4 and. Next one, just step your left, right again. Left, right, left. Alright, so this one you have to be careful because it's very fast. Again, left, right, left. So it's going to count 1 and, then right after that, 2. Place your palm like this. Then climb up with your finger. It's supposed to be like this, or can be like climb up a little bit like that. It's okay. I'm going to count for you one more time. Right when finish this one, we are going to count 1 and 2. Let's count together from this part. 5 and 6. Then right after that, 7 and. Then touch your chin. 8. Then finish and. Right after that, just bend your right knee. 1 and 2. Then right after that, pull 3 and 4. We will finish 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, then we will finish. Woo!